By the way, at your desk, that magazine.
Yeah, the one on jet skis.
Yes. Why'd you have that?
Because they're awesome.
I suppose they are.
Yeah. You know, some things, actually most things in history are kind of dumb and everything gets ruined eventually. But in the early 1990s, for a brief shining moment, there was a beautiful union of form and function, which we call the jet ski, and a reasonable man cannot differ.
You ever been on one?
No. I think a TVA agent showing up on a jet ski on the sacred timeline, that would create a branch for sure.
That'll be fun, though.
Yeah. It'd be really fun.
So why read about them?
It just helps remind me of what we're fighting for.